Hey everyone, well, here's another one. I made another one. I'm popping my collar because I don't want it to, I want it to lay right. Number 3, multicolor. Favorite color, blue. Love it, okay? Mistake, yes. Own it, mine, okay? Anyway, this is my third crop top, you guys, and I want to share this with you guys. I'm going to go slow. Okay. I hope that was slow enough. What do you guys think? What do you think? I really do like it. Anyway, my mistake was I double crochet and forgot to double crochet chain 1 on that first row. So that made it a little bit wonky, which in return, it's not laying right like the other ones in the back. I don't know if you can tell. It's somewhat loose. It's a little bit loose. But I love it still the same. What else can I say about this? This is a cheesecake, Caron cake. I had to pull out the cakes because I didn't want it to be all one color, and I tried to get all the colors in on my Caron cake. And this is what I have left, and I think I want to try to make a teddy bear. I think my channel deserves a blue teddy bear, okay? So that's it, you guys. I am wearing this under a swimsuit, which is not mine, which is my granddaughter's, which was or is too big for her. I stuffed myself in these. I did work, okay? And the reason I'm telling you that is, ladies, if you wanted to wear a swim top, you can, because it covers all that overflow here. It covers any overflow you may have right here, and it covers this right here. So like the tops that I purchased from Rainbow, I can wear with this, except for they're dirty right now, so that's why I stuffed myself in this, so to give you the effect of how it would look. But you can do that. You can go to the pool just like that and have your towel wrapped around the bottom of you, and if it's cotton, you know, just don't take this off, fling it, and get in the water, however you want to do it. But anyway, this is me sharing with you. I want to say thank you for watching. This is another in-between project, and as I always like to say at the end of my segment, be the best that you can be. And this was my best today. Finishing this project. This was the best that I could do today. So, and it's paying off because I'm loving it. Okay, so you guys take care and remember, enjoy life. Enjoy this summer.